Now that we've been doing YouTube for a while, we get contacted by all sorts of companies that want to send us some things. Some of it is total rubbish, and some of it really gathers our interest. This thing is called a WindBooster. Now there's a range of these, but essentially this is a throttle control box for your car. Now I didn't show you me opening the original box, but it was sent just in a normal cardboard packaging, express from China, but it came with a flag! Dave, you impressed with my flag? What do you think? Woo! See, that's it, he's pumped. One of the parts when you remap a vehicle is that you adjust the driver's wish. So the driver's wish map controls how much throttle response you get that relates to the pedal travel. So 100% pedal is 100% throttle, but you can control a whole range in between. And sport buttons will normally make it more aggressive. This is like a sport button for any car. So we use this Kia Sorento for towing, and we're loading up with tools. We've got a bicycle on the top, but it doesn't have a sport button, and it's not particularly economical. The throttle on this is pretty rough when you use it, jerky, it's not smooth at all. But this box promises to give us control over the throttle position switch, or throttle position sensor, and it should be a piece of cake to fit. So let's give that a go.
Inside the WindBooster box, you'll get the little interface itself, which is only 6mm thick, it's really light. The interface is very simple, just two buttons on the front, one for the main modes, and the one on the right is for fine control of that mode. You'll also get a lightning connector, which has a pass-through on the other end to match your specific make and model. There's a male and female connector to match your car. Now we'll go under the dashboard, and just on top of the accelerator pedal you'll see the standard connector. Squeeze the tab at the top and pull it up and out. Then we just take our new control module, which bridges over the two. Socket that into place. Click. Now this one will just cable tie this up so that it's out of the way. The other half of the box. Click. That is in position.
So there's a handy panel on the Kia Sorento which comes off from the side of the dashboard, which allows you to run the cable up the side and right into the WindBooster so that it can sit on the top there. Now I haven't decided on what my final position for this will be, so I'll keep it on the top for now. Put the panel back on, and then we can take it for a test drive.
Let me give you a quick demo before we set off. I'll keep my foot on the accelerator in the same position and I'll cycle through the modes, and you'll see the accelerator respond. You get the idea. You can control how sensitive you want the accelerator pedal to be.
We have loaded up almost 6 tons of towing rig, and we're now going to take the car to the track, and we'll see how the car feels. So if you're watching this in China, then we have cool bridges too. This is the Queensferry crossing. We're just going up the hill part of it now. Now I've got this set to economy number 9 at the moment. It's got a sliding scale that goes from 0 to 9. There are some other modes like Sport Plus and Race and Drag. And as soon as you give the lightest touch to the accelerator pedal, the car surges forward. Until I get about halfway down through the accelerator pedal, it doesn't really do very much. So I've got fine tuning for speeding up and slowing down the trailer, which is very heavy, so that's a good thing. But if I do want to accelerate, all I have to do is give the accelerator a little push past the 50% position, and I've got all the power that I had before. So for towing, it seems to be a very useful thing. I'm also looking forward to testing the version that we have on the Subaru, because we will be using the race modes on that. But for this one, the economy mode for this car, I think is the most suitable one. Now, you turn the power off to the engine, it actually resets, and I've still got it here, so it actually goes back to normal. Now, to begin with, I thought that was going to be a great irritation, but in hindsight, that's probably what you want. You probably don't want it to be set to like super drag strip mode, and then you turn on the ignition and try to reverse out of a car park and it's at maximum attack. You probably don't want that. So in hindsight, yes, I agree with it resetting to normal each time the engine is off. That's a good thing. Having now driven the car, I am impressed. It's not a complicated device, it's a piece of cake to fit. You can do it in less than 5 minutes, and it gives you some more throttle control options for your car, which is good if you use it for a bunch of stuff like I do. I use this for commuting, I use this for towing, I use this for hauling mountain bikes. If you want to find out more, I'm not explaining all of the technical details of how it works or all the different modes. Check out the WindBooster website for that, and see what you think of it.